This all the time. My Chicagoans don't say anything. My name is Alex, and I am going to be your tour guide, friend, mentor, and resident question answerer on Avenue Bridge, designed in 1920 by Edward Bennett. But you guys see at either end of the DuSable Bridge, well, not so much that side, but you see it over there waving right now, a flag with 3 white stripes, 2 blue stripes, and 4 red stars. That is the Chicago flag. The Chicago flag has got 3 white stripes to represent the land and the area. We have 3 sides to the city. We have the north side, which is where I'm from, the west side, 1,025 meters. White North Carolina granite in between the windows and then on the corners makes it look like white sides if you're looking at it dead on. Up ahead of us on our right hand side, behind a couple buildings up there. You guys see up ahead? With the curving, undulating concrete floor slabs. And then you start to see the iconic water drop motif along the outside. That one back there is the aptly named Aqua Tower. Designed in 2009. As we pull further here on the main branch, before we get out onto the lake, I do want to take this to Illinois, but for everybody else, just southwest of Chicago, built a big dam up to let the water build up one side and then drain out the other. Out through the other side, headed south, okay? So here's a little visual. The Des Plaines River is at a lower sea level than the Chicago River is. It's like a 15-foot difference in total. And at one point, the lake level, which is on average 5 feet higher than the river is, you're gonna see that water falling from the lake point into the river level, which is where we're at right now, and the level that will be when we get in the line. So this might have miles in total, which is almost the size of the entire state of West Virginia, which is like 24,000 square miles. Inside of Navy Pier over here on the left, inside of Lake Michigan is Navy Pier over here on the left-hand side. A skylight theater, a botanical garden, a Tony Award-winning Shakespeare theater, and so much more. Because in one building, just one, there are apartments, condos, a hospital, a hotel, a couple restaurants, a Bloomingdale's, a parking garage. That's the Jardine Water Filtration Plant that supplies all 2.73 million Chicago citizens and around 100 surrounding communities with about 1 billion. Circle of it is a French restaurant called Cité that provides an outstanding view of our Cité with a red brick and teal glass motif. This is Riverview 1 and Riverview 2 with a round corner in 2001 and 2004 by local architect James DeStefano, who is from Evanston. It's a north suburb, but it's close enough. But whenever these first came up here, these were actually the most expensive places to live along the Chicago River. Today, it's about average. The penthouse condominium, which is the top floor just below the dome at the top, little chimney up there too. That is the Hotel Intercontinental, 1925. Formerly home of the Medina Men's Club, and also formerly the national headquarters for the Shriners. Today it's a luxury 5-star hotel. This is the Reed Murdoch Center, the last warehouse building on the main branch. It's not a warehouse inside anymore, city blocks. Up until 2008, the Merchandise Mart had its own postal zip code, 60654. Over here on the right-hand side, it's an area of town called Wolf Point. So Wolf Point, oh man, look at the clouds down here. How cool is that? Woo. So Wolf Point, but the other 66 floors going up are there's a healthy mix of condos and apartments. Here on the corner is the new Salesforce Tower coming up. That's going to be finished by 2023, 90 stories tall when completed down here, all offices. Getting our